Okay, so let's understand the current solution. But before moving to the solution, we will write the definition of stakeholder. Okay, followed by that, we will note the main terms from the definition to get a clear meaning of stakeholder. Okay, it refers to a person or any legal entity that is holding any type of financial interest in the particular business entity. Okay, so we have just written our main definition. Now we will understand the important terms. So first of all, a stakeholder may be a person like an individual, just you and me, or any type of legal entity. Legal entity means maybe a partnership firm, sole proprietorship, a company. Okay, that that will be included in any legal entity. So that company or any type of person, okay, that is holding any type of financial interest. Okay, any type of financial interest. It may happen that stakeholder has invested in a company. Okay, a person has invested in a company, so it will be a stakeholder for that company. Or maybe a partnership has invested or given loan to a company, so a partnership firm will also be considered as a stakeholder for that company. So any type of financial interest, okay, whether borrowing, selling goods, purchasing goods, any type of financial interest, okay, for a particular business entity. Okay, now we will we will show that what type of stakeholder they will be in general cases. Okay, the foremost the foremost stakeholder, as we really know, who is the foremost stakeholder will be owner. Okay, the owner the owner has initial willingness to start the business. Okay, so obviously he will have invested the amount of money in the business to running the business, expanding the business. Okay, running the daily life of the business. The foremost stakeholder will be an owner. The second one or group of persons will be employees that will be working in the organization. So employees will be curious to know that whether the salary of current month as well as next month will be paid or not. Okay, so employees are also holding the financial interest in the company, so employees will also be considered as stakeholder. When it comes to creditor means a person who has given advance or who has given raw materials to the company on credit basis, like the amount has to be paid to the creditor by the business entity. Okay, so creditor will also have financial interest in the company, that whether the amount will be paid or not. Followed by that, there is a fourth option also in the question, which is known as competitors. A competitor will never have any type of financial interest in the company. Okay, competitor will always focus on competing with their competitors. Like let's say suppose in a business industry there are five types of companies, so everyone will be competing with each other in terms of human resources, in terms of technology resources, in terms of purchasing raw material at lowest cost. Okay, so these type of matters will be considered in between the competitors. However, a competitor will never be a stakeholder, will never ever be a stakeholder. So we have derived our choice for the current problem as per the definition as well as the discussion in the second sheet. So the correct choice is D. Okay. Why? A competitor will never ever have any type of stakeholding in any business entity. Okay. So you can note down both first and as well as second sheet onto your notebooks. But our conclusive answer is D. Okay. Choice D. So that's all for the solution. Thank you.